Today I'm going to tell you about vitamin C, which is one of the serums that we have just launched. Now, vitamin C is a serum that you can apply on the skin, and what the best benefit of it is absorbed by the skin and it works better than just taking vitamin C. Now, what is vitamin C good for? Vitamin C is excellent. It helps collagen, so it's excellent for anti-aging. It helps to firm the skin. It helps to tone the skin. Also, it helps, hyperpigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to fade dark spots, and it works very well with a sunscreen. So you will find it helps the sunscreen also to work better. It is something that is a wonderful serum and a wonderful vitamin to use on your skin. Now, when do we use the vitamin C? First, on a clean face, clean your face, and you can use vitamin C at night and in the morning. You can use it twice. And the other thing is the texture. Let's see the texture of vitamin C. So we take it out like this, okay, and apply it on the skin. Now, you just feel it. See, it's got a lovely texture. It is not too watery, and it has got a very good feel to it. The other thing is, instead of taking it like this and just applying it all over your skin, I really suggest first putting it in your hand, taking a little of that and just applying it all over the skin. And if you have any dark patches, apply it on the dark patches so that it can help, to fade those dark patches. And after you've applied your vitamin C serum, then apply a moisturizer. And of course, during the day, you're going to use a sunscreen. At night, you don't need a sunscreen. So you're going to just use the vitamin C, and you can use a night cream. So this is how you use it. Now, when you go and buy a vitamin C, look for vitamin C in a colored bottle, not in a transparent bottle, because then the sun gets at it and destroys the effect of the vitamin C. So I've told you now what it does, how are you going to use it, and how to buy it, and what you're going to use after that. Now, this is an excellent serum, and I know vitamin C is also used. They have a lot of vitamin C boosters, but I must tell you, nothing like a vitamin C serum first, and let that be absorbed, and then put a cream on top or a moisturizer.